This is Bopple Chop, and this is Bopple Chop's nemesis, Cornelius Cheese. Luckily, Bopple Chop has caught Cornelius Cheese on a bad day and has confined him in his anti-Cornelius Cheese box. However, Bopple Chop is a nice guy, and he will offer Cornelius Cheese exactly 45 minutes of mercy, no more, no less. Unfortunately, Bopple Chop does not have a watch, so he needs to figure out how to keep track of these 45 minutes. Luckily, Bopple Chop has 2 ropes and a lighter that can help him do just that. Bopple Chop knows 2 things about these ropes. He knows they each take 60 minutes to burn completely, and that they also don't burn uniformly. That is to say, you can't tell how much time they have left to burn just by how long they are. A half-burned rope does not necessarily imply that there's 30 minutes left in the rope's lifespan. Now, given this information, how can we measure exactly 45 minutes using the 2 ropes and the lighter? Let's figure it out. If Bopple Chop decides to start by burning one end of one rope, the whole rope will burn in 60 minutes. Since we only allow Cornelius Cheese 45 minutes of mercy, this tactic will be too long. Perhaps we need to consider something else. Now, the key insight here is when you realize that you can actually burn both sides of the rope at the same time. By setting fire to both sides of the rope, we now reduce the rope's lifespan in half. It now takes 30 minutes to burn through this rope. We still don't have any information on how long it'll take to burn the rope before the rope is completely burnt, but we do know that when the rope is completely burnt, 30 minutes has elapsed. Now, using this information, we are able to strategically set different ends of ropes on fire at different times, and this will allow us to get our 45 minutes. The process is as follows. For step 1, we light both ends of rope 1 and light one end of rope 2. This takes a total time of 0 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, the first rope will have disappeared, and we will have burned through 30 minutes of the second rope, which leaves us with 30 minutes left. And this has taken a total time of 30 minutes. Now, our third step is we light the other end of rope 2. And since we know from the previous part that this had 30 minutes left, setting fire to both sides will now give this a total lifespan of 15 minutes. So after we wait 15 minutes, that rope has disappeared, which gives us a total time of 45 minutes. The whole process is laid out right here. Now, following this process, Bopple Chop has now given Cornelius Cheese his 45 minutes of mercy, and now it's time to eliminate his old foe. Goodbye, Cornelius Cheese.